What's up, everybody? We've got some very good news happening with Mullen right now, ticker MULN, if we did not already know. So in this one, I just want to talk about what's going on, what the company is saying, and a few catalysts that are coming up. Very big and very good information for all of the shareholders and potential people who want to buy in on the stock. So all I ask, if you do enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you do not miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you for stopping by, but let's go ahead and get straight into it. Mullen being pretty flat right now. Over the past day alone, it is down 1.25%, but as we can see, the entire market is down pretty flat. I mean, nothing incredibly concerning, but we're seeing a red day. So just a little bit interesting to see that Mullen is doing this when they just announced some pretty important news on the stock. So let's go ahead and kind of talk about what is going on. Mullen Automotive announces preliminary third quarter results. First thing it says, company has strongest balance sheet ever with approximately 99 million in cash and cash equivalents as of August 8th of 2022. This was posted today at the market open. Some key financial highlights that I thought were important were the asset growth of 391%. Asset growth was primarily from cash from financing activities, along with increased property and equipment. Remember, they're expanding. The new facility in California, the new facility in Detroit. Very big things that we're seeing right now. $318 million in financial commitments. Committed capital positions, Mullen for growth over the remainder of 2022 and 2023. So they're putting money into commitment for R&D and expanding the company, which is just incredible. Especially if you are a shareholder, you want to see this type of stuff happening for the stock. Next up, a 281% increase in R&D spending. Now, this would be a little bit concerning if they were not having any potential outlooks. I mean, we're seeing a massive deal with Delpac and all these different companies that are potentially going to be coming, potential Fortune 500 catalysts coming very soon. And the increase in R&D spending just gives us reason to believe, hey, they're expanding. The CEO says he has all these plans coming into advance, which are going to be huge. Company has increased its spending for R&D, which primarily relates to engineering costs for the Mullen 5 and Mullen EV cargo van programs. We're looking at very solid things. A few more things I really wanted to highlight. Mullen is expanding its presence into the Midwest with the Detroit EV tech team. Mullen has already hired close to 20 new employees for these operations and expects to have 50 by the end of this year. Mullen Class 1 EV cargo van successfully updated with larger optional 79.2 kilowatt battery pack, which can extend range up to 200 miles. So they successfully have been doing this, and we're going to be seeing a lot of good things happening very well. So I like to see what is going on with stock and what the company is announcing. So definitely very bullish information right now. Another thing that's very bullish is this Seeking Alpha article, Mullen, well positioned for solid state battery race. TLDR, just talking about how the CEO is saying they have a ton of different things happening. When scaled to the vehicle pack level, a 150 kilowatt hour solid state battery is expected to deliver more than 600 miles of range on a full charge. Okay, we're looking at very, very good stuff. This company could be changing the game. Here's a quote from the CEO. This is huge. He also added, if a deal in the works goes through, it will be a first of its kind and will tip the entire EV space on its head. Smaller company, right now they're sitting at a market cap of $378 million, a quote unquote smaller company changing the game. This could be massive for Mullen. I mean, I'm just going to go ahead and show you kind of the daily chart and how things have been looking. We have been trading, we kind of broke through and fell under a key support level, and we've been trading, we are developing new levels of support and resistance. As we can see, about 92 cents is our new resistance, and about 79 cents where we are currently is a new support level. We've touched it back in March, and then again in May, and then right now we have double touched it in August. And who knows, maybe we will see a double bottom, which would be very bullish, especially with the new catalyst that just came out on the stock saying, hey, here's our new financial standing. We're looking very good. Next week, we're going to report earnings. Hopefully, those are very good as well. So we do have big catalysts coming to the stock. A few more tweets I want to talk about. Mullen, here's kind of a quote. In both engineering and manufacturing areas, by advancing our solid state battery tech to the pack level and continuing to build up our battery assembly operation. This is from the CEO talking about the 30,000 packs annual capacity of batteries and just changing the EV game forever. Furthermore, David Mitri mentioned in his last interview that an 8K is around the corner. This could be very big. 8K filings can make a stock just absolutely go crazy. So this would be huge for Mullen, huge catalyst that who knows, this could push us, and I know I'm just talking about technical analysis, but this could push us past our 92-cent resistance level and send us to where we want to be for the stock. So this is going to be very, very big and very information stuff that we're going to be looking at. Another thing I want to talk about is here's just kind of what Mullen is looking at, right? Like the vehicles. Very solid stuff that I like to see. So I do believe in the stock. So that is going to wrap it up for this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you do not miss out on any future videos. Thank you for making it to the end of this one. Check out my Discord server, links in the description down below. Also go get some free stocks on Webull. Link is also in the description down below. And I will see you at the next video.